This is Tim Willis, and armed only with a copy of OBS and a built-in laptop microphone. This is another build from the Nomad Funnelhacker. Earlier, I released a video that was an overview of this site, ClickFunnels Business Tools, which is located at clickfunnels.com/business-tools. And I said at that time that I'm probably going to be doing a couple of videos on some of the tools. And so that's what I'm doing on this video. I'm going to demonstrate the image compressor. And this is the image compressor right here. The question comes up, why would we want to compress an image? Well, the main reason is just to make it smaller in overall pixel size. And the reason we want to do that is that most web pages will have more than one image, and everything on that web page, from the text to the images to the graphics, video, adds to the overall load time of the page. And so if we can reduce some of that size, then we can possibly get a faster load time. And that is really the only goal of compressing an image. Let's demonstrate how this tool works by clicking on the icon. So on this page, it gives you an example of what it's going to do. We have the before and after comparison. There's instructions down here if you need them, but it's very simple to use. So we are going to choose a file, which in my case is this picture called Golf Test. And then we just press the button that says Compress Now. On the next page, you'll show us our picture. We won't see any difference immediately. But at the top, we have a button that says click here to download your file. And then we have another button here that says do it again. There's no batch editing with this tool. So if you have a number of pictures that you need to compress, you'll have to do them all one at a time. But let's go ahead and download. And I renamed the compressed image Golf Test 3 just so I wouldn't have a conflict when I put it in the same folder with the original image. We need to find out how well we did with compression. So we'll go to our original image and take a look at the properties to see the size. Okay, our size is 1.09 megabytes for the original. And our size is 887 kilobytes for the compressed image. The image compressor did exactly what it was supposed to do. It reduced the overall size in pixels of the image. And that's really all that tool does. So that's the image compressor at ClickFunnels Business Tools. And what that address is clickfunnels.com/business-tools. I'll leave a link to that in the description. And other than that, we're pretty much done with this video. My name's Tim Willis. I'm certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, funnel building, webpage design, and tools like the suite of tools at ClickFunnels Business Tools that we use to do all the above. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later.